everybody, and welcome to the Nick J Show. And I'm your host, Nick J.
Woo! We love you. Take my crown!
Oh, stop it, you. Okay, today's issue is
He's not English.
It's a very special issue, you know. It's an issue about anger. And I'd like to welcome to the show today a very special guest, Joe Jonas.
Look at me!
Come on, boo! Hello,
Look at me!
quiet in the audience, please. Now, Joe, I hear you have anger.
I'm not angry.
Well, we know you're angry, Joe.
I'm not angry.
You're
I'm not angry, I
It's
said.
inside you.
I'm not angry!
It's inside you, Joe. Explain to the audience what makes you angry, Joe.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Jonas Square!
Why does cheese make you angry?
Because it's all orange and holy.
Oh, Joe.